Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm gonna talk about the top 5 best 60% keyboards. Starting at number 5. Cooler Master SK621 GKLR1 US. While the Cooler Master SK621 features excellent design and superb build quality, this keyboard isn't great for the thing it's made for. In other words, this keyboard is lousy for typing. The shape of the keys combined with a very short gap between individual keys will make you mistype more often than if you'd type on a blank keys keyboard. This sadly makes this model not suited for anyone who types a lot. But for gaming, where you need just 10 or so keys which you can't mistype that easy, this keyboard's pretty solid. The nice gaming experience is even better thanks to the Cherry MX low-profile switches, which are pleasant to type on and which have shorter actuation point compared to regular switches. This makes this keyboard very responsive in games. The Cooler Master SK621 also features excellent RGB backlighting, some additional keys such as arrow keys, and extra features such as macro recording, wireless and wired connectivity, with support of up to 3 devices at the same time, and the aforementioned low-profile form factor. It's great for gaming, but not meant for typing. If you want a low-profile 60% keyboard for typing, to check out the Vortex Ultra Slim POK3R V2. It's not as slim but is amazing for typing. For more information and latest price, check out the product links in description underneath the video. At number 4. MOTOSPEED 60% Mechanical. For users in need of an affordable wireless 60% keyboard, we have a couple of choices. These 3 models are all pretty similar. They have almost the same design but feature different switch flavors. The MOTOSPEED CK62 comes in black and white colors and with red or blue out EMU switches. It also has full RGB backlighting and solid build quality, with the body made of durable plastic. It flexes a bit but feels quality enough. The keyboard is pleasant to type on, and the 2 switch choices are great for typing or gaming. ABS keycaps feel solid and should last for years. The keyboard offers Bluetooth or wired connectivity, and it can be connected to up to 3 devices at the same time. Overall, this is an excellent wireless 60% keyboard, but it lacks Cherry MX switches, and some people could hate the fact that the keyboard takes up to 5 seconds to change key function after pressing the FN key. Halfway of my listed number 3. RK Royal Kludge RK61 RGB. Royal Kludge RK61 is the second pick that looks like the MOTOSPEED keyboard but comes with Gateron blue, brown and red switches. Brown switches are the great middle ground for gamers who also type a lot, so we recommend this keyboard for users who want an all-around 60% wireless keyboard. Bluetooth connectivity and multi-device pairing is also present here, as well as solid but not great build quality. Another plus is that this keyboard is available in black and white. Finally, this is another excellent wireless 60% keyboard that's great both for typing and gaming. Coming in at number 2. Anker Pro 2. While most wireless keyboards support connection to 2 or maybe 3 devices at the same time, the Anker Pro 2 supports connection to 4 devices at the same time. This makes it a perfect choice for users who are using 4 different devices for typing on a daily basis. But Anker Pro 2 isn't a one-trick pony. This keyboard also features top-notch build quality combined with excellent double-shot PBT keycaps. It also offers a wide selection of switches. You can get 6 different Gateron and Kale switches that cover both gamers and typists. The keyboard's also very portable, like most other 60% keyboards. RGB backlighting is bright and features pretty saturated colors, and the keyboard comes with a powerful software where you can tweak most of its functions. Overall, this is an excellent 60% keyboard that has lots of features and lots of switch options. The first major downside is the lack of any Cherry MX switches considering the price of the keyboard. The second is the occasional lag when using Bluetooth connection. This is why we recommend using this keyboard in wired mode when gaming. And number 1. Razer Huntsman Mini 60%. Large gaming peripheral brands still aren't fully entered the 60% keyboard market. The market is still dominated by smaller brands that offer some excellent keyboards at very competitive prices, but now Razer tried their luck by creating the Razer Huntsman Mini, the company's first 60% keyboard. The result is pretty good. Razer included several features usually found on 60% keyboards such as removable cable, full 60% form factor, high-quality keycaps, and secondary functions on many keys. Build quality could have been better for the price. It feels too light despite the aluminum baseplate, and it doesn't feel as solid as some other models. Both typing and gaming on this keyboard feels great. This keyboard uses Razer's optical switches that use a light beam for actuating keys, which feels more fluid compared to traditional mechanical keys. The keyboard features 2 versions, and it depends on your habits on which version you'll go with. Clicky switches are great for typing. They are easier to press than mechanical switches, and the tactile bump is still present. Linear switches are perfect for gaming with their linear travel and lack of tactile feedback. The keyboard also comes with swappable keys, but the number of designs isn't near the rich keycap offering available for ducky keyboards. RGB backlighting, on the other hand, is bright and saturated, and better than on most other 60% keyboards. Overall, this is a pretty good 60% keyboard that has a bit higher price. You can get other models from smaller brands that offer better build quality, more design choices, and better value for money. For more information and latest price, check out the product links in description underneath the video. Thank you for watching this video. Hope you found it helpful. Please remember to leave a like and subscribe to my channel. If you have any question, you can leave a comment below.